Hi guys, it's me, it's Lacey Elizabeth, and guess what? Today we're talking about brushes. Yes! Okay, I just ordered these from Juvia's place, so this is gonna be a unboxing, if you will. I'm so excited about these. I thought, let's do an eyeshadow tutorial. We're gonna be using this palette right here, which is the Chocolates by Juvia. These colors are stunning. Check these out. Like, I'm thinking deep, chocolatey, smoky eye. Perfect for fall. I'm so excited to try this out and definitely test out these brushes. Let's get into it. So I already have basically all of my base makeup on, and I'm just gonna go in and apply an amazing eye look for you guys for today. I'm thinking chocolatey, smoky, luxurious, sassy. Let's do it. What I love about this set is that you get all of these eye brushes as well as the two face brushes, and like, they are just so amazing. I have not yet had an opportunity to play with these, so I thought, let's do it together. I'm gonna go in with this one right here, this little tiny mini fluffy brush, to apply our crease shade. So within the palette, obviously our transition shade for our crease is going to be this one right here, so I'm excited for this. I'm gonna pick up some of that powder. I'm just gonna dust that off. Ooh, that's pretty. I love that. I'm just gonna go back in and pick up a little bit more of that product. Ooh, that's nice. That is so beautiful. I'm gonna go in with this large blending brush right here, and I'm just gonna blend that out with small circular motions. Next, I'm going in with this flat shadow brush right here for applying the color to my center lid. I want like something pop, like I want a lot of look extra. I'm actually gonna go in with this burgundy brown color right here. That is pigmented. Ooh, I'm excited for that. All right, make sure and dust off that excess. We don't want fallout. We're just going to apply that color to our center lid. Ooh, that's pigmented. That is stunning. Ooh, love that. Once I have that color placed down where I want it, I'm actually gonna go in. I do have some fallout here because, I mean, that is pigmented, not hating on it. I'm just gonna go in and wipe away that excess. And I'm now gonna go in with that same large blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend on both sides of that amazing deep, like Merlot plum burgundy color we've got going on. I'm now gonna go in, and with that exact same flat packer brush, I'm just gonna go in, tap back into that same deep, beautiful, plummy vibe that we've got going on. I'm gonna apply a little bit more color to my lid. I just want this to be dark. Again, I'm going in with my blending brush, and I'm just going to blend that out. That blends out like a dream. Like, these colors are amazing. I'm now gonna go in with this large pencil brush, and I'm going to pick up a dark gray. This is gonna give me a lot of smoke, that sexy vibe that I'm going for. I'm actually gonna take this color, I'm gonna smudge it on my lower lash line. I'm actually gonna bring that out to the outer V and just up into the crease. That is so beautiful. We're gonna go back in with our same blending brush. Just blending that out. These colors are stunning, and I love it. I'm gonna take this little guy right here, and I'm gonna dip into that beautifully sparkly, shimmery gray color. That color is stunning. Always tap it off. I'm just gonna go into my inner corner area and I'm just gonna blend that out into the center. Oh, that's nice. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. I'm gonna pick up just a little bit more of that color. We're gonna take that same large blending brush and I'm just gonna buff that out. If I had any fallout on my face, I'm just brushing that away using a large fluffy brush. I'm now gonna go in with this angled brush right here and I'm gonna put a little bit of color on that and put that on my lower lash line because we're gonna smoke that out. For that lower lash line color, I'm thinking I want to put a little bit of this plum right here. Just a little bit of shimmer just in the center right here. Center that lower lash line. And then with that same brush, I'm gonna dip into this deep, deep chocolate color and I'm gonna tap that off. And then I'm gonna connect that to my outer corner. There we go, just like that. I'm just going to blend that out using this small, fluffy blending brush. Alright, I'm gonna go in and do all those exact same steps to my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the look so far. I'm gonna go in now, I'm going to apply my Pat McGrath mascara because, let's get real, it's my favorite. So we're gonna apply that mascara, I'm going to apply my eyeliner, and I will be right back. Next, I'm gonna go in and line my upper lash line with my Pat McGrath liquid liner in the color black. I just winged that out just a little for a little bit of dramatic. This look requires sassy lashes, like big, fluffy, full sassy lashes. So I'm gonna go in with these Fuego lashes by Kala, and they are the 3D faux mink lashes. Now that my lashes are on, this is looking fierce, and I'm gonna go in and put on a liquid lip in a nude color, and the one I chose is the color Sand by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now that I have my lip on, I'm gonna go in with some highlighter and I'm gonna use the Becca Cosmetics Champagne Pop. I'm gonna go in with this Juvia small complexion brush, which is a J221. That gives me life. I love that. I just went in and I applied some lip gloss and I applied the Summer Vibes color from Anastasia Beverly Hills. What do you think? Sassy, cute, fun, sexy, fall, autumn, smoky eye. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I've got a huge giveaway. Yes, another one. I'm so excited. I love supporting fellow YouTubers and I love giving back to you guys. So, 2 of you, yes, 2 of you are gonna go home with this Morphe by James Charles palette. I love color. This is vibrant in color and everything, so I thought I would pick up 2 of these and share it with you guys. If you guys want to enter, all you need to do is be subscribed to the channel, click right there, and follow me on Instagram, click right there, and comment down below. Alright guys, live, love, lip gloss. Till next time, bye guys.